All I want for Christmas is YouTube viewers to be happy. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, happy holidays, happy new year to everyone out there.
Except those of you who pay translators 2 cents a word.
But to everyone else, I hope you have a wonderful time. I think this holiday will be different for pretty much everyone out there. Usually we try to spend time with family, and this time we're lucky enough to be spending it with my parents. Unfortunately, my sister and her husband cannot make it. And usually, in fact, on good years, what we then do is for the Lunar New Year, we spend that with my wife's family over in Taiwan. But that won't be happening this year either. However, I do think we're lucky enough to be spending it with our family, with my parents, and I can only hope all of you are as lucky as well this year. And I hope all of you have a great time. And I mention this every year, so I'll mention this again this year, that if you are not celebrating the holidays or if you are working for some reason during this time, that this is a great time to get new clients and to get new work. Because anytime a company or a client needs work done during these days, they're usually that much more desperate for it. And so the fact that you are available and willing to work during these holidays will help you stand out that much more. And so you're that much more likely to get a regular client, to get jobs, etc. So I know I mention this every year, so I'll mention it again. I will not be doing that. I won't be working during these holidays. I think after this year, I need some time. I think we all need some time together with the family to relax and everything. And so we're going to do that with smaller family this year because of, lockdown and everything like that. But I hope all of you have a great time. And here's to a way better 2021 for everyone out there. And I will probably talk to you next year, I guess. Okay, bye. Savedum.
Except those of you who pay translators 2 cents a word.